Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating scientific endeavors of our time, the Human Genome Project. It's a story about curiosity, discovery, and understanding what makes us who we are. So, sit back and get ready for an incredible journey into the world of DNA. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Human Genome Project? Imagine our DNA as a giant instruction manual for building a human being. This manual is made up of about 3 billion letters, known as base pairs, which are the building blocks of life. The Human Genome Project, or HGP for short, was an international research effort to read and map all these letters in our DNA. Think of it as trying to read and understand every single page of the most complex book ever written. The project began in 1990 and took 13 years to complete, finishing in 2003. It involved scientists from all over the world working together to decode our genetic blueprint. Their goal was to identify all the genes in human DNA and determine the sequences of the 3 billion base pairs. This was no small task. It was like trying to solve the world's biggest and most complex puzzle. So, why was this project so important? Well, our genes play a crucial role in everything about us, from our eye color and height to our risk for certain diseases. By understanding the human genome, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of our biology and improve our health in ways we could only dream of. One of the most exciting outcomes of the Human Genome Project is personalized medicine. Imagine going to the doctor and getting a treatment plan tailored specifically to your genetic makeup. This means more effective treatments with fewer side effects. For example, if your DNA shows a higher risk for a certain type of cancer, doctors can monitor you more closely and take preventive measures early on. Another incredible benefit of the HGP is in understanding genetic disorders. Conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease are caused by changes or mutations in our DNA. By pinpointing these mutations, scientists can develop targeted treatments and, hopefully, cures. But the Human Genome Project isn't just about medicine. It's also helping us understand our evolutionary history. By comparing the human genome with the DNA of other species, like chimpanzees and mice, scientists can learn about the changes that have occurred over millions of years, shedding light on what makes us uniquely human. Now, you might be wondering, what did we learn from the Human Genome Project? One surprising discovery was that humans have fewer genes than we originally thought, about 20,000 to 25,000. That's roughly the same number as a small flowering plant. This revelation showed us that it's not just the number of genes that matters, but how they interact and are regulated. Another fascinating find was the vast amount of non-coding DNA in our genome. At first, scientists thought this DNA didn't do much, calling it junk DNA. But as it turns out, this non-coding DNA plays critical roles in regulating genes and other important functions. The Human Genome Project has opened the door to countless new areas of research and has paved the way for amazing advances in science and medicine. It's like we've just begun to read the first few chapters of a book that holds the secrets to life itself. As we continue to explore and understand our DNA, the possibilities are endless. From curing genetic diseases to understanding our deepest biological secrets, the future of genomics is incredibly bright. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Human Genome Project. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories about the wonders of science. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.